Hey, Austin and Keith, this is Zach from 6x6 Media out of Paris, Texas. I just want to jump into this video and show y'all these 3 steps that you can take today to improve those clients coming through your front door. Now, y'all may be sitting there wondering, well, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? I found a lot of times in the world of the internet, a lot of local businesses haven't taken the time to figure out how the internet can actually benefit their business. Well, I found by giving people this 3-step plan, they step back and kind of realize how much this can benefit them, and they want to reach out to me for a little bit more information and how we can further reach those goals that they may have. That being said, if after this video y'all want to reach out to me, ask me a few more questions, kind of more about what I do and how I can help, that's awesome. If y'all just want to take this 3-step plan and try to implement this yourself, that's fine with me too. I'm all about helping out local businesses. And that being said, I just want to jump straight right into this. Don't want to waste any more of y'all's time. First thing I want to talk about is going to be content. So content's anything on this page that you can see highlighted. This is what Google is gonna count. They want to see at least 1,500 words worth of content on a home page and 500 to 750 words worth of content on any back pages and service pages. All of this needs to be dense in keywords that pertain to your industry and your location. I'm going to jump over to this tool that I have called SEO Quake, which you can actually download and use yourself for free. So it's looking like y'all's webpage is running about 600 words of content, which you got a little ways to go to hit that 1,500 mark. But I did a quick search for Auto Body Shop, Tyler, Texas, and your number one competition behind Yelp for that number one spot is going to be East Texas Collision Repair. So we're going to kind of jump in and dissect their website real fast, figure out why they may be ranking for that number one spot. So you can see they really don't have that much content on their page. And we're going to take a look at SEO Quake. Sure enough, they've only got 500 words, or pushing 500, not even quite there yet. But I bet they're ranking for organic keywords that are going to play really well in their favor. So I'm going to go over to this other tool that I have called Ahrefs. We're going to take a look at both your website and theirs. First, we're going to take a look at the organic traffic that your website's pulling in. So you're only pulling in 13 people a month. Whereas we're going to go over here to East Texas Collision, and they are pulling in 95 traffic a month. And you can see they're ranking for 142 organic keywords and you're only ranking for 56. So by looking at these numbers of traffic and these statistics, that just tells me that there's a lot on the table for y'all to take a hold of there in the Tyler area. And we just want to kind of jump into these keywords and explain how this affects your ranking. So you want to rank for generic keywords that pertain to your area, like I was talking about a minute ago. And what I mean by generic is you have somebody that's looking for a collision center to get their car repaired after a major accident. They're going to type, if they don't know exactly who they're going to go to, they're going to type in that generic keyword, which is going to be like Body Shop, Tyler, Texas. We can see here, these are the keywords that you're ranking for. Most of these have to do with your business, and y'all even have their business as a ranking keyword. Body Shop, Tyler, Texas. Right here, you're ranking 16th for that. You're not even pulling in one customer a month to your website from that. So there's some work to be done on these keywords, and I think this is probably going to have a lot to do with why they're outranking. Just because they're probably ranking for some better keywords. So yeah, here we go. Body Shop, Tyler, Texas. That has 150 search volume a month. People looking for a body shop in y'all's area. And they're only ranking number 2 because they haven't optimized their website either. They just happen to have the right keywords in where they're getting that second place spot. But Yelp is probably pulling in a lot of traffic just from having these keywords and nobody else optimizing their website to get above them and take over that website traffic. While y'all know just as well as I do, just because somebody clicks on your website doesn't mean that they're going to turn into a client. But if even 20% of them did out of this 95 that they have, that's pushing 20 new clients a month. And that adds up quick over time. But that being said, I'm going to go ahead and jump into our next thing. That's going to be citations in the Google Map Pack. So this is the Google Map Pack right here, and a citation is essentially your name, address, and phone number put into a bunch of different indexes throughout the web, such as Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, a bunch of those different index websites. And that's how you obtain one of these spots right here. And you can see the benefit because if you get into this first spot on the Google Map Pack, you have visibility here, like East Texas Collision does, and then they also have it again right here. So people are seeing you twice on a page, and a Google searcher's eyes, that just makes you more trustworthy to them because you're being popped up 2 times on the front page. Like you're right in their face, and they're going to be more likely to click on you. as far as these citations go, I did a quick search for both your citations and East Texas collisions. Back up here. So East Texas Collision, right here, they have 40 citations. Y'all have 39. And another thing about citations is you want them to be high quality with a lot of power. And whenever we go in here and start adding in more citations for y'all's business, we can actually see which ones they're using and where all that power is coming from and jump out in front of them. Use these same citations and get out in front of them and overtake that spot. The next thing I want to talk about are going to be backlinks. So essentially a backlink is where you have website A pointing to website B. Like you click on website A and you see a couple highlighted letters, like say in a blog post or something, and you can click on that and it goes to website B. Well, that right there is giving website B authority in Google's eyes. And the more of those backlinks that you have that pertain to your industry and that are of high quality from good domains, the more authority Google's going to give you, and they're going to push you to that #1 spot. So right here we have what's called the trust flow and the citation flow. Trust flow is how trustworthy and how powerful those domains you're getting those backlinks from are, and the citation flow is how many backlinks you have. Well, right here you can see y'all are at 7 and 27, and you want this to be a 1-to-1 ratio, which y'all's ratio is at about a 0.25. Theirs is 5 and 19, also about a 0.25. But right here, this is the kicker. Y'all's backlinks mainly pertain to computers and internet, whereas theirs is pertaining to recreation and autos. So this is making a big difference right here, because while y'all have about the same amount of trust flow and citation flow, they're in the correct industry as far as their backlinks go. And that's going to do a lot for Google whenever they start ranking you. But that being said, those are the 3 things that I wanted to speak to y'all about today. If y'all like what you hear, holler at me. My number is 903-715-7876. Once again, my name is Zach. I'd like to sit down, talk to y'all about y'all's goals, how y'all want to move forward in your business. Maybe you're looking to expand. Maybe you're looking to move to a different area like Longview. There's just a bunch of different opportunities out there. And by optimizing your website, you can capture all of those different goals and opportunities. But once again, y'all just give me a call, 903-715-7876. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I hope it was helpful, and I look forward to hearing from y'all soon. Y'all have a good night. Bye.